guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little butterfly. As you can see, I created myself as a little butterfly and it is already an existing look. Only the colors I did change and few like very little details. I did copy it from this girl Jade Decon. She's on Instagram. Beautiful makeup artist. Oh my god, her looks is just it's beautiful. I mean, look at this butterfly, it's just insane. Go check her out. I really wanted to do for this year like a butterfly look and I just couldn't decide like what I want to do exactly for the butterfly look. Oh, I already messed it up. So I did go to Pinterest, of course, and check out some looks, and I saw this girl and I was like, oh my god, that's exactly what I want to do. So I did copy her look. I'm really so uninspired again this year that I just the best I could do was the blue skull that I did. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this butterfly look, I would really love to match it with a wig, but unfortunately I don't have any like yellow wig or green. But yeah, if you do have, you can definitely rock it on with a wig and it would look amazing. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this Halloween butterfly look, please keep on watching.
So first things first, again we're gonna cover our eyebrows, and for this we're gonna use a stick glue. We're gonna brush them upwards to the side and then just use eyebrow comb, blush comb and brush them upwards, and then again put the stick glue, wait till it dries. I use some wet wipes also to remove like the excess glue around the eyebrows, just so it's not too much sticky. And yeah, after we're done that 1,000 times, we're just gonna press some loose translucent powder on the eyebrows to kind of fill in all the gaps, and then just dust away the excess powder. And now I'm just gonna use some nude like eye pencil just to kind of map out the butterfly eye area. This really helps to just really map out and to make sure that it's gonna be very precise. And after that I'm gonna use this Snazaroo, I don't know, it's like aqua paint. And yeah, I'm just gonna spray some water. You can spray makeup spray on it and then it's gonna like activate, and I'm gonna kind of fill in that area, eye butterfly area, with this color. And just be very careful with this exact color because like it's not very good if you put it inside your eyes, so make sure you're very careful. I'm gonna put also the second layer just to make the yellow color more intense, very intense, and just wait a few minutes to dry. And I already did one side of my eye with the black contouring, so we're gonna just do now the other side. And I use INGLOT Gel Liner. This is like a very intense black long-lasting gel liner, so it makes it very easy to really make that lines precise and black, and they don't mess up together with that yellow color. So yeah, I mean, here you can already see what I'm doing. You just have to follow like the lines. You can create your own directions, lines, how you wish. I did change a little bit few things. I add a little bit more on the eye area than the actual original look that I copied. And yeah. And I'm also gonna apply this eyeliner in my waterline. Yes, imagine you can put this eyeliner in your waterline. I was also a little bit shocked, but it didn't irritate my eye. It was so long lasting, waterproof, didn't move at all, and yeah, I was really shocked actually. So we're gonna move on to a smaller brush and we're gonna do this a very like small precise detailing between those black contouring lines. This is giving like that butterfly detailed effect, kind of like a leafy effect. And I'm gonna add that same thing also like at the end of my eyeliner, kind of cut crease eyeliner. Then we're gonna draw those little antennas, butterfly antennas. And for the lashes I'm gonna use today again KOKO lashes in Demi G. After that, I'm gonna apply some mascara on my lower lashes, and yeah, we're kind of done for the eyes. And now it's time for foundation. I'm gonna put the TV paint stick from KRYALON makeup. This is like a super duper full coverage, especially for Halloween, perfect foundation. And with a smaller brush, I'm gonna go around those contours. I'm gonna set the rest of my face, yeah, besides the eye area, I'm gonna set with the translucent powder very, very carefully. And then we're gonna finish our eyes with these little gems. I'm gonna apply them with the lash glue, and yeah, we're just gonna stick like from bigger to smaller size, and it's gonna give that a little chic kick on the butterfly look. And now it's time to get a little bit naked, and I'm gonna do the kind of neck decolletage part. I'm gonna use again the nude pencil to map out the, how I could call them, feathers. Not really feathers, those are butterfly wings. So this is like, yeah, I don't know what I mean here. This is like what? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop ramble. Obviously you can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to map out and see like how should it be. Like, as you can see, you can do some mistakes, but it's very easy to delete it with a finger. That's why I always use like first like a nude pencil, and then you can do with the paints. It's much easier. So I'm gonna fill in those feathers, those wings with the same yellow color, 2 layers again, so it's more intense, and wait for it to just a little bit dry. Then I'm gonna take like this palette and use the black paint, which I should say that I wish I didn't use because it was a bit messy. If you do go out with this kind of makeup, you should use something more long lasting, waterproof, something that doesn't move around, like that INGLOT Gel Liner, but not like a regular cream paints. And yeah, I'm just gonna contour these wings a little bit, like a thicker black lines, and then we're gonna do these little detailings again, and after that another detailings, I mean on the wings, actual wings, we're gonna do those little detailings, those cracks, those, how you call them, linings, yeah, I'm not sure how you really call them, but yeah, you can see what I'm doing here. Oh my god, I should really stop talking because I feel like I talk too much today. Anyways, I'm gonna take the same black cream paint. I'm gonna contour my lips with this color, this black color, and then we're gonna take the same yellow paint we use on the actual butterfly and also apply on the inner portion of the lips, and then I'm just gonna try to blend it together with the black. Again, if you have a lipstick, better use lipstick because that cream paint was like all over my mouth. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so crazy in love with this look. Thank you so much, Jade, for creating this look and giving me the opportunity to recreate it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this my last Halloween tutorial. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you on my regular videos next Sunday. Bye!